Creations. Welcome everyone. My name is Deborah. If you're new here, we are so glad to have you. Please consider subscribing to our channel if you like and find the content helpful. Today, I'm going to show you how to create this spooky yet stylish round Halloween balloon arch using a round stand. This is perfect for Halloween parties, photo backdrops, or even trick-or-treat setups. It's easy, affordable, and makes a big statement. Let's get started. Materials you will need are a round balloon stand. I am using my 7-foot round arch frame that I purchased from ShowFireDisplays.com. You can find inexpensive round frames on Amazon.com. Most stands come with a few pieces to connect. Follow the instructions from the manufacturers and ensure the base is sturdy. It is important that the stand can hold the weight of the balloons. For outdoors or high traffic areas, I highly recommend using backdrop stand weights, sandbags, or heavy items to the base for extra stability. You will need balloons in your choice of colors. I recommend 3 different sizes to give your arch dimension, plus any Halloween decorations such as plastic spiders, fake webs, or fake bats. I am using Sempertex brand balloons, Fashion Pink, 5-inch, 11-inch, 18-inch, Fashion Black, 5-inch, 11-inch, 18-inch, and Reflex Silver, 5-inch, 11-inch, and 18-inch. You will need a balloon pump. I highly recommend an electrical pump. Trust me, this will make things so much faster. You will need 2 60Q balloons to attach your mini quads into the inner and outer layer of the arch. You will need scissors for cutting your 2 60s in half. To give the arch that spooky Halloween theme, I am adding these super cute pink and black bats. I am using my glue dashes to attach them, and I am adding spider webs with spiders. Now that we have got everything ready, let's inflate balloons to form quads to attach to the stand. I will first start by inflating 2 11-inch balloons, round them and tie them together into a duplet. See how the balloons have these coney shapes? Press down on them, slowly release the air to get that nice round shape. To tie them together, lay one neck over the other, pull tight against each other, wrap around twice, and tie a simple knot. I will do the same with 1 11-inch and 1 18-inch balloon, making another duplet. I will then take both duplets, bring them together, take 1 small balloon from each, twist them together, forming a large quad of 4 balloons. These large quads will be used for the base layer of the arch. Now I will inflate 4 11-inch balloons, forming small quads of 4 balloons. These small quads also will be used for the base layer of the arch. I will repeat the steps, inflating 4 more 11-inch balloons and tie them together close at the neck of the balloons, forming small quads of 4 balloons. These small quads will be used to wrap into the inner base of the arch to add dimension. Next, I will inflate 8 5-inch balloons, forming 2 mini quads of 4 balloons. I will then take a 260, push all the air from it, tie the end, cut it in half, and tie both ends of the 260 around each mini cord. These mini cords will be used to wrap into the inner and outer layer of the arch to fill in gaps and to add texture. Let's attach balloons to the frame. Start with the large cord, slip it under the circle between two of the small balloons. Twist them around each other. This will lock the balloons onto the frame. Make sure the 18-inch balloon is facing outward in front of the arch and press it down. Next, grab your small cord, slip it under the circle between two balloons, twist them around each other, nestle the cord right up against the large cord so there aren't any major gaps. And you are going to repeat the process, working your way around the round stand until it's covered with balloons. I was unable to twist the balloons onto the bottom of the frame, so I created a small garland using the neck-to-neck method, where I took a scritchy neck in a cord and tied it to a scritchy neck in another cord. I then tied a 260 around the bottom of the frame, position the garland in its place, and wrap the 260 around the balloons in the garland. I tied the necks of each end of the garland to each end of the necks in the cords, securing the bottom layer, creating a nice round circle. Let's wrap small duplets into the inner layer of the arch to give it dimension. Guys, instead of using the small cords, I found it was much easier to wrap in these small duplets to give the arch dimension and a more balanced look. Let's wrap the mini cords into the inner and outer layer of the arch to fill in gaps and to add texture. Let's make this balloon arch scream Halloween. Attach mini bats using glue dots. Drape fake spider webs with plexi spiders over section of the arch for a creepy effect. And there you have it, a spooky festive round Halloween balloon arch that's perfect for your holiday decor. It's super easy and affordable, and it's going to be a hit at your Halloween party. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more DIY decorations and party tips. Happy Halloween. Until next time, you guys stay blessed, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.